Ever wondered what happens if a cat takes human protein powder for 30 days? Meet our skeleton cat, curious, hungry, and about to find out. One sip and the adventure begins. Whoa, already feels a boost, but is it safe? The journey starts now. Day 1, energy levels spike. Skeleton cat jumps and stretches, feeling unstoppable. The world seems brighter. Bones tingle with new power. But something feels off. By day 2, the stomach protests. Extra water helps, a little. Bones glow faintly. Every movement feels heavier. Energy is still there, but tension grows. Week 1 continues. Jumping feels awkward now. Digestive discomfort lingers. Balance is slightly off. Curiosity keeps skeleton cat going forward. Week 2, internal organs glow brighter. Energy is up, but balance is shaky. Even a tiny sound startles skeleton cat. Bones vibrate with tension. Protein again. The strain is visible. Fatigue creeps in slowly. Muscles tense. Bones sway. Energy dips in moments. Digestive stress continues. Skeleton cat learns limits the hard way. By week 3, subtle muscle growth appears, but walking becomes tricky. Bones wobble with every step. Digestive stress remains. Skeleton cat glances at the protein, wondering. Dehydration shows. Bones pale slightly. Energy dips further. Movement slow. Stress glows faintly from inside. The experiment is taking its toll. Skeleton cat stops, pauses, looks at the protein jar thoughtfully. Internal organs pulse slower. Time to make a decision. Maybe this human stuff isn't for me. Skeleton cat tosses the protein jar away. Dramatic move. A balanced meal waits. Meat, greens, the right nutrients. Bones glow gently. Energy returns naturally. Slow, confident steps. Finally, our skeleton cat stands wise, fully recovered. Remember, what's safe for humans isn't always safe for cats.